Okay, let's do some more rationalizing here. So this next one, I've got a fraction, so I could rewrite it as the square root of y to the 5th over the square root of 7. That's totally fine. And another way to think about this is I'm going to multiply by the radical on the bottom. So we'll multiply by root 7 over root 7. That's going to give me the square root of 7y to the 5th over square root of 7 times square root of 7 would be square root of 49, or 7. And now we just need to simplify this. How many of these y's can I get rid of? Well, I can have a y squared on the outside, 7y on the inside. This would be my final answer. Just going down the line here, to rationalize my next one, I'm going to multiply by the square root of x to get 5 root x over x. Can't simplify anymore, so that's my final answer. For here, we'll multiply by the square root of 3x. That's going to give me 2, and then root 3 times root 3 would be root 9x. And on the bottom, hopefully you've picked up the pattern that if I multiply a radical by that same radical, I'm left with what's on the inside without the radical. So this will just be a 3x. What's the square root of 9? Well, that's 3. So this becomes 6 root x over 3x. And can I divide 6 by 3? I sure can. So I'd be left with 2 root x over x as my final answer. So there's a lot of possible simplifications that you need to look for. And it just becomes stopping, checking, seeing if you see anything to simplify down and remembering to do that. All right, this next one, I have a whole number times a radical in the denominator. We're going to multiply by just the radical. We don't need to multiply by 2. So up top, I'll have 15 square root of 5xy over 2 square root of xy. Can I simplify there? Nope. So that would be my final answer.